Hey guys, welcome back to Ghost Beauty. So in today's video, I will be sharing this outfit, my hairstyle and jewelry, why I picked what I picked. So if you guys are interested, then stay tuned. So for the hairstyle, I'm going for a very simple bun with center parting. With heavy sari and heavy jewelry, I think sleek hairstyle looks really good.
So I'm using a rat tail comb for this hairstyle. So I'm just removing all the tangles and then I'm going to do a very simple bun where I'm just wrapping my hair around. And then I'm going to use a rubber band to secure my bun, and later on I'm going to cover that rubber band with the gajra. And then I'm using tail of this comb to pull my hair and give a little bit of volume. I'm not going too crazy about it, but I don't want very sleek hair. I'm really happy how this rat tail comb gave nice finish to my hairstyle. And then I'm using lots of bobby pins along with the rubber band to secure this bun.
So for my hairstyle, I'm going to use this gajra on top of the jura.
And our hairstyle is done. This is so simple and beautiful.
So I have picked this sari for the Karwa Chauth look, but I'm not going to wear it simply as a sari. I will use my skirt and wrap this sari on top and show you guys the final look. Because our skirt is not very tight, so I'm going to use this fabric to hold my sari.
So like you would normally do, take one side of your sari, but instead of tucking it in, start making pleats and then secure that section by tucking it in. And then start tucking your sari around. And then bring the whole fabric forward and then start making pleats for the pallu like you would normally do during the sari drape. Then place it on your shoulder and secure the pleats with the safety pin like the normal sari pallu. And then we are going to make pleats of all the leftover fabric. And then I'm going to secure all the pleats by tucking them in. You can use a safety pin to keep them together. And for the nice and finished look, I'm making pleats on the side and tucking in all the loose fabric. And then I added this gorgeous belt to define my waist. This is totally optional, but I like to add this belt to give edgy look. And this is how our outfit looks.
So our hairstyle, makeup and dress is done. Now we are going to move towards the jewelry.
So first I picked this necklace and then I switched over to my choker and these big earrings because I feel choker adds more stylish vibes to your otherwise traditional look. Since your look is incomplete without bangles on Karwa Chauth, so I went for a mixture of red and golden bangles. So I went for a crop top instead of the blouse which I have with this sari to go for a more modern look instead of the traditional.
If the color of your sari is light, then you can opt for a dark dupatta and you can put it on the side.
So this is the final look guys, and I'm super excited that I went for this lehenga look or a skirt look instead of the normal sari. Please do let me know in the comment section below which look you like better, with dupatta or without dupatta.
And that brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you guys found it useful. If you did, please hit the like button, share your feedback in the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so by clicking on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out the future video notifications. So I see you guys in my next video. Till then, keep smiling and take it easy. Bye!